In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to take a picture and add it, operate camera portion at the top. Then send it. If you want to add already existing ones, hold this line here and drag it up to access your gallery. From it, select all of your photos you want. And when you finished, hit done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!